know, in the previous video we have covered the examples of chapter number 10, Heron's formula of your class 10 mathematics. In this video we are covering exercise 10.1, which has a bunch of very simple, easy questions. So let's go ahead and read question number 1. A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A. Find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula. If its perimeter is 180 centimeters, what will be the area of the signal board? So here there is an equilateral triangle with sides A and perimeter is 180. We have to find the area using Heron's formula. It is specified that you have to use Heron's formula. So if perimeter is 180, what will be each side equal to? Perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 3A, that is 3 times the side. So 3A is equal to 180. Therefore, we have A is equal to 60 centimeter each. Now this is 60, we have to find area. We can have S minus A equal to S minus B equal to S minus C, which is equal to, अगर perimeter 180 है तो S will be equal to 90. So 90 minus 60 will be equal to 30 centimeters. Easy. So using Heron's formula, we can say the area is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is equal to root of 90 into 30 into 30 into 30. Correct? Now you can easily take, as I said in the previous video also, if there are zeros, you can easily take them outside. But as you can see here, in 30, 30, 2 times they are repeated. So let's take 30 only outside and 1 zeros out of this. Okay? And now we are left with 9 into 3. Again, you can take 9 outside. So it will be 3 into 300 root 3, that is equal to 900 root 3 centimeters square. That is the area of the given triangle. Is that easy or not? I think it's very easy. What may confuse you is the calculation here. But take my word, always go for making pairs of the given numbers in the under root the square root. Okay. Question number 2 is a very practical and interesting question. Let's understand what it says. The triangular side walls of a flyover have been used for advertisements. The sides of the walls are 122 meters, 22 meters and 120 meters. The advertisements yield an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its walls for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? Now understand the question. जैसे flyovers होते हैं, bridges होते हैं, तो they have walls on either sides, right? So they are of the shape triangle. Okay. So there is a wall, triangular wall, which has sides 122, 22 and 120. Okay, so if you are some company who wants to post your ad on these walls, you have to pay rupees 5,000 per meter square of this wall per year. Okay, so no company will hire the entire wall for entire year. Okay, a company hires the wall for 3 months. Per meter square का charge 5,000 है, तो imagine the area of the wall having sides 122, 120 and 22, right? So obviously it is not going to be higher for the entire year. So let's understand how we are going to solve this. There are 2 ways you can do it. One way is find the area separately, then multiply it with the cost and the time, or you can go for direct method, that is area into cost into time. We are going to do the separate method. We will first find the area. Here A, B and C are 122, 22 and 120. So what will be my semi-perimeter? 122 plus 22, 144 plus 120, 264 upon 2. 264 upon 2 is 132 centimeters. Okay. So that is S. What will be S minus A equal to? S minus A will be equal to 132 minus 122, 10. S minus B will be equal to 132 minus 22, 110, and S minus C will be equal to 132 minus 120, 12. Okay, understood? So here area will be equal to, area of the wall is equal to 132 into 10 into 110 into 12. Again simply ये 0 0 है तो take 10 outside. Okay. Now अंदर we have 132. अगर नहीं कुछ भी नहीं सोचता है तो simply prime factorize 132. We have correct 3 11 से 11 ones. So here we have 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. We have taken this 10 outside, so हो गया. This 11 is left. So this into 11 and 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now look out for the pairs. 2 एक 2 है, so there is a pair of 2s, so we take 1 2 outside. There is a pair of 3s, so we take 3 outside. Pair of 11, so 1 11 outside, and again a pair of 2, so 1 2 outside. So we are left with nothing under the root. Okay. So this gives me 20 3s are 60 into 11 660 into 2. This gives you 13200 meter square as the area. Now cost will be equal to rate per meter square into area into time for which it is hired. Okay. Rate per meter square is 5000 rupees. Area is 13200 and time is 1/4 of a year. 3 months is nothing but 3 by 12 of years. That is 1/4 year. Okay. So here when you multiply this, we get 5000 into 3300, which is nothing but 16,50,000 rupees. When you multiply this, you get 16,50,000 rupees. So the company is spending 16,50,000 rupees for an advertisement for just for 3 months. So that is why this question is a practical question. You get to understand the practical usage of such formula and such concepts. Is that clear? So now let's read and understand question number 3. There is a side in this. Now let's understand question number 3. Let's read the question. There is a slide in a park. One of its side walls has been painted in some color with a message, "Keep the park green and clean." If the sides of the wall are 15 meters, 11 meters and 6 meters, find the area painted in color. Very basic. All the 3 sides are given. Sides are A 15, 11 and 6 meters. So semi-perimeter will be equal to 15 plus 11 plus 6, that is 15 plus 17, that is 32 upon 2, that is 16 meters. So S minus A will be equal to 16 minus 15, 1. S minus B will be equal to 16 minus 11, 5. And S minus C will be equal to 16 minus 6, 10. So area is equal to root of S, that is 16, S minus A 1, S minus B 5, S minus C 10. We here get 16 will come out as 4 into bracket 1 as it is 5 or 10. So 5 into 2 into 5. So we have 5 outside. So 4 into 5 root 2, that is 20 root 2 meter square. Is that easy or not? Very basic, very easy questions. Okay. Let's understand question number 4 again. Find the area of a triangle, 2 sides of which are 18 centimeters and 10 centimeters, and the perimeter is 42 centimeters. You are given 2 sides, perimeter is 42. You have to find the area. So third side C will be equal to 42 minus 18 plus 12. That is 42 minus 28, which is equal to 14 centimeters. Now you have perimeter as 42, so you can say semi-perimeter as 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeters. So you have S minus A as 21 minus 18, that is 3. S minus B is 21 minus 10, that is 11. S minus C is 21 minus 14, and that is 7. So area will be given by again root of S, that is 21 into S minus A 3 into S minus B 11, S minus C 7. Here as you can see 21 can be written as 3 into 7, but 3, 11 and 7. These cannot be factorized further as they are prime numbers there itself. So 3 और 3, 1 3 बाहर आएगा, 7 and 7, 1 7 outside, अंदर सिर्फ your area is 21√11 centimeter square. Easy. Alright, so that's your question number 3 and 4. Alright, now question number 5 is exactly same as example number 3, but we are going to solve it here because the calculations are a bit lengthier. Okay, so the question is, sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12, 17 and 25. 12 is to 17 is to 25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeters. Find its area. See, the sides are in the ratio 12, 17 and 25. So we can say 12x plus 17x plus 25x is 540. Therefore, 54x, as you add these three, you get 54x. So x is 10. Therefore, sides are 120, 170 and 250. Okay. Semi-perimeter will be 540 by 2, that is 270. S minus A will be 270 minus 120, that is 150. S minus B will be 270 minus 170, 100. S minus C will be 270 minus 250, 20. So now area will be equal to root of S is 270, S minus A is 150, S minus B is 100, S minus C is 20. Here take this 100 outside as 10 and these two zeros as one more 10, correct? Now you are left with 27, so you can write 27 as 3 into 9. You can write 15 as 3 into 5 and 20 as 4 into 5. Clear? Now what you have? You have 100. 3 and 3 will come out as 3. 9 will come out as 3. 5 and 5 will come out as 5 and 4 will come out as 2. Correct? Now all you have is there is nothing left in the square root. This is 900 into 10, 9000 centimeter square. Is that clear? That is your answer. Let's read question number 6. The question is, an isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeters. What is an isosceles triangle? It is a triangle with two equal sides. And each of the equal sides is 12 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle. Very easy. If perimeter is 30 and two sides are 12 and 12, so third side will be 6. 12 plus 12, 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. So you have S as 30 by 2, 15. S minus A as 15 minus 12. 3S minus B is 15 minus 12, 3. And S minus C is 15 minus 6, 9. Okay. So area will be equal to semi-perimeter 15 into S minus A 3 into S minus B 3 into S minus C 9. So 15 को split नहीं करते हैं because even if we split it, we are getting these two outside. So 3 into 3 already बाहर आ रहा है and we are getting inside the root 15. So your answer is nothing but 9√15 centimeter square. Is that clear? I hope the chapter is very much clear because it is extremely easy. कोई rocket science नहीं है इसमें, कुछ application नहीं है, basic formula है. You have three sides, you have a formula, you simply have to apply the values. Alright? In the next video, we are beginning with one of the most important and a lengthy chapter, which is surface areas and volumes. काफी सारा